In this video, I'll show you how to create a Google AdSense account without having a YouTube channel. So this guide is ideal for those planning to use AdSense for websites, apps, or other services. So first, open your browser and go to AdSense official website and then click on the Get Started button on the upper right corner and then use an existing Google account or create a new one if you don't have one yet. Make sure the account you sign in with is active and associated with the email address you want to use for AdSense. So during the setup process, AdSense will ask you for website or platform. And if you don't have a YouTube channel, input a website domain you own. So if you don't own a website, you'll need to set up a basic one first to proceed. You can use free platforms like Blogger or Wix to create a temporary site. And after that, after completing this setup, you can click this I hope, read, and accept this agreement. Check it before you click the Start Using AdSense button. So after that, you'll be redirecting to a page of the AdSense dashboard. And that's it. That's how to create AdSense for YouTube without a channel. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.